How to get a refund for Snapchat Plus subscription. If you accidentally purchased a Snapchat Plus subscription, you can request a refund, but the refund does not come from Snapchat directly. It must be done through the Play Store or App Store where you made the purchase. To start, cancel your Snapchat Plus subscription immediately. Open App Store or Google Play Store, then cancel the subscription so you don't get charged again. Canceling will stop future billings, but you still have to access Snapchat Plus until the current billing period ends. Once cancelled, contact the App Store or Play Store's customer support to request your refund. Go ahead and launch open Google Play Store. Then head over to Account, Payment and Subscriptions and choose Report a Problem. Select your reason and submit your request. Keep in mind that refunds depend entirely on Apple or Google's policies, not Snapchat's. Snapchat itself does not issue refunds. That's all for this video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials.